Did you know Kingston was not Jamaica's first capital?
What?
Most Jamaicans don't. Before Kingston became the heartbeat of Jamaica, there was Spanish Town. Yeah man, from the 1500s straight up 1872. Town was the official capital, first under the Spanish as Villa de la Vega, then under the British. It had Jamaica's first cathedral, first courthouse, and even the oldest iron bridge in the Western Hemisphere. Spanish Town was the center of government, trade, and power. But here's what changed everything. A massive fire, a deadly cholera outbreak, and a powerful earthquake in the 1800s weakened the town. Meanwhile, Kingston was rising fast with a busy harbor, booming trade, and growing population. So in 1872, the capital was moved and Spanish Town was left behind. To this day, it still holds some of the richest history in the Caribbean, but most people pass it by without even knowing. Now you know, drop a comment if you learned something new, and follow for more untold Jamaican history.